Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where Windows installer keeps popping up on startup, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, first of all, search for services in the Windows search bar. Go to the services option here, and then you can scroll down to the Windows installer service. Right click on it and select start because it's not usually started by default. If it still occurs, make sure that you restart it. In 95% cases, this will fix the problem. If not, then the issue is with the service. So we will re-register the service. I'll share a list of commands with you. Simply search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on run as administrator in the right pane. Paste both of these services. Hit enter. Problem solved. If it still does not help, then we will perform an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.